Harish, good evening, dear. Harish, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, dear.
Ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. Page number 6, admission of a partner. Take page number 6.
Second, ma'am.
Okay. Just a moment. Now question number 3. Lucy and Jenny were partners in a firm, sharing profit in 4:3 ratio. So there are two partners in a partnership firm. What are their names? Lucy and Jenny. They share profit or losses in 4:3 ratio. They admitted Alan as a new partner. So who is the new partner? Alan. He comes into the partnership business for 20% of share in the profit. Suppose the profit is 10,000, then Alan will get 20% of 10,000. That is his share in the profit. Now, Alan acquired, as I told you, there are different meanings of the words. Please note it down. Always keep a rough note with pen or pencil. Whatever I am telling, the important thing, please note it down. So, acquired. Whenever you find the word acquired means, what is the meaning of acquired? Takes. Acquired means takes. Surrender means giving. I am surrendering this to you means I am giving this to you. Acquiring means taking. I have acquired these means I have taken this. So here what the question says, Alan acquired his share of profit means Alan is the new partner. He is taking the profit of his share in the ratio of 1:2 from Lucy and Jenny. What is the meaning of this line? Alan is the new partner. He is acquired means he is taking his share. Okay, his share of profit in which ratio? 1:2. 20% means you can find the ratio 20 by 100. Okay, you can find the ratio 20 by 100 means his share in the profit will be 1/5. So this 1/5 share he is taking from whom? Lucy and Jenny. In which ratio he is taking? 1:2. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of Lucy, Jenny and Alan. Now we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio of old partner as well as new partner. Old partners are Lucy and Jenny, new partner is Alan. Now what you will do? What I said, if the question is silent, like if the question doesn't tell you that the new partner takes his share of profit from whom, if the question is not stating, then what you will do? It is the simple case. You will assume let the total share be 1, and suppose in this question share of the new partner is 1/5. Alan is coming for 1/5. So if total share is 1, then remaining share will be 1 minus 1 by 5. Okay, that will be the remaining share, and that remaining share will be shared by the old partners in old ratio if it was a simple case. But in this question they are telling you that 1/5 share of Alan he is taking from Lucy and Jenny in 1:2 ratio. So this is not the simple case. Here we know the sacrificing partners share. Lucy, Jenny, both of them are sacrificing their share of profit because they are giving this 1/5 share in the ratio of 1:2. So first, Lucy's new share. How you are going to calculate the new share of Lucy? What you will do? First, you have to see what is the old share of Lucy. It is 4/7. Okay. Now minus how much Lucy is paying to the new partner Alan. Alan is getting 1/5 share from firm. This 1/5 he is getting in ratio of 1:2. What is the meaning of this? 1/5 into 1/3. Who is paying? 1/5 into 1/3, that is 1/15. 1/15 Lucy is paying to Alan. So Lucy's sacrifice is 1/15 of his share, his or her, whatever. So 4/7 minus 1/15. 4/7 is the old ratio. Sacrifice, we know how much Lucy is sacrificing her share, that is 1/15. How we got 1/15? What is the new share for the new partner? Alan, 1/5. And this 1/5 Alan, new partner, is getting in 2:1 ratio. That is 2 by, not 2 into 1. By mistake I told the ratio is 1:2. So 1/3 he is getting from Lucy and 2/3 he is getting from Jenny. So 1/5 into 1/3. Lucy's sacrifice is 1/15. Old minus sacrifice equals to new. So Lucy's new share equals to 4/7, that is old share, minus sacrifice 1/15. You have to take the LCM. 7 15, it will come 105. Then you have to solve it. You will get 53 divided by 105. This is the new share of Lucy. In the same way, Jenny's new share also you have to calculate. How you will calculate new share of old partner? Jenny equals to, first old ratio already given in the question. How much? 3/7 minus how much Jenny is sacrificing her share? 1/5 is the new share of Alan. Out of this 1/5, Jenny is paying how much? Giving 2/3. So 1/5 into 2/3. 2/15 is the sacrifice made by Jenny. 3/7 minus 2/15. So LCM will be 105. Then 45 minus 14. These are simple maths. I hope you know. You have to take the LCM and do it. Then it will come to 31 divided by 105. Any doubt how Lucy's new share came 53/105 and how Jenny's new share came 31/105? Any doubt you are having, Harish, Amrita? Please let me know, dear, if any doubt. Okay. Amrita, it is clear to you? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you are not able to understand, please ask me. Do not hesitate. I am not going to scold you. I will explain 1000 times. Don't hesitate. Ask me. Okay. Now, so we have calculated Lucy's new share, Jenny's new share. What about Alan? Alan is the new partner and we know his share, that is 1/5, 20%. If you write 20%, then also it will come 1/5. Okay. Now you have to make the denominator equal in all the three cases. Then only we can calculate the new profit sharing ratio. As I told you, denominator should be equal. Then only we can calculate the ratios. So 53/105, no issue. 31/105, no issue. Denominators are same. But this 1/5, you have to make it 105. So you have to multiply by 21 divided by 21. So you will get 21 divided by 105. Now all the three of them have the same denominator. Now you can calculate the ratio. New ratio will be 53:31:21. This is Lucy's sacrifice, Jenny's sacrifice. 1/5 into 1/3. Jenny's sacrifice 1/5 into 2/3. 1/15, 2/15. So sacrificing ratio Lucy and Jenny is 1:2. Amrita, Harish, can you hear me now? It was network issue, I think. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. So we will move to question number 4. A, B, C are partners sharing profit in 3:2:2. In this question, there are 3 partners A, B, C. Profit sharing ratio is 3:2:2. They admitted D as a new partner. D is the new partner. For how much share? For 1/5 share. Okay. Which he acquired. Again, focus on word. Acquired means he is taking. The new partner is taking share from A, B, C or whatever. We will read the question. Acquired means taking the share. That's it. Surrender means giving the share. Who will give the share? Old partner will give the share. Okay. Taking means the new partner will take the share from so and so old partners. This is the meaning. Acquired from ABC. Okay. So ABC, all the 3 partners, the new partner D, he is getting his share from all these 3 partners, taking his share ABC. Again the ratio is given 2:2:1. This is the sacrificing ratio. Always we calculate sacrificing ratio for old partners. As I told you, new partner always gains. So ABC sacrifices their share of profit in which ratio? 2:2:1 respectively. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. So you have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Always first calculate the sacrificing ratio. Why? Because what is the formula for calculating new ratio? New ratio equals to old ratio minus sacrifice. That is the formula for calculating new ratio. So first you should know the old partner sacrificing ratio. Then only you can calculate the new ratio. So A equals to, okay, how much A is sacrificing? 1/5 is the share of the new partner D. Out of this, A is giving how much? 2/5 share to D. So 1/5 is the share for D, and from A, D is getting 2/5. 1/5 into 2/5 equals to 2/25 is the sacrifice made by A. Now what about B? Now again D's new share is 1/5. Out of this 1/5, B is paying 2/5 of his share to D. So 1/5 into 2/5 equals to 2/25. Now what about C? Again D is the new partner. He is getting 1/5. Out of this 1/5, C is paying 1/5. So 1/5 into 1/5 equals to 1/25. This ratio is already given 2:2:1 in the question. So this is the sacrificing ratio. Now what you are going to do? You are going to calculate the new ratio. Now what is the formula for calculating new ratio? Old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. So A's new share equals to, what is old ratio given in the question? 3/7 minus what is the sacrificing ratio? 2/25. So take the LCM and solve it. You will get 61 divided by 175. In the same way, now B. What is B's new share? Old share minus sacrifice. Old share given in the question 2/7 minus sacrifice 2/25 equals to, if you take the LCM 175, then solve it, you will get 36 divided by 175. C's new share 2/7 is the old share minus sacrifice 1/12. It's not 1/12, 1/25. Okay, it's 1/25. By mistake I wrote 1/12. So please correct it. It will come 43 divided by 175. D equals to, D is share already given in the question. D comes for how much? 1/5 share. So again, as I told you, in order to calculate any ratio, we have to check the denominator. It should be equal. So D's denominator, we should make it equal to 175. 1 by 5 into 35 by 35. If you multiply 35 with 5, you will get 175. So D's share equals to 35 divided by 175. Now all the four denominators are same. You can calculate the new profit sharing ratio. That will come to 61 is to 36 is to 43 is to 35. That is the answer. Any doubt so far? Amrita, Harish, any doubt you are having so far? Please tell me. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
No, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Next question number 5. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 7 is to 3. So AB are the old partners. They are sharing profit in 7 is to 3. C is admitted as a new partner. A, B are old partners. C is the new partner. Okay. A sacrifices 2 by 7th of his share. Try to understand the question. A sacrifices. As I told you, always the old partner makes the sacrifice. New partner gains. So A sacrifices. A is the old partner. How much A is sacrificing his share of profit? 2/7 of his share in profit. So what is the share of profit of A? 7 by 10. So 7 by 10 A is getting. Now he is sacrificing 2 by 7th. Okay. So A's sacrifice equals to, you have to calculate the sacrifice because they are telling you A sacrifices 2/7 of his share in profit in favor of C. C is the new partner. So in order to pay C, how much A is sacrificing his share of profit? 2/7. So A's sacrifice we have to calculate. A's sacrifice equals to 7 by 10 is the A's share in profit. That is the old profit sharing ratio. Out of that, A is sacrificing 2/7 of his share. 7 by 10 into 2 by 7 equals to how much? It comes to 2 by 10. Because 7 2s are 14. 14 divided by 70. You can cut. If you cut, you will get 2 by 10. Now, again, B. What about B? And B 1/3 of his share in favor of C. What is the meaning of this line? B is sacrificing 1/3 of his share, means of B's share. How much B's share is? B's share is 3 by 10. Out of 3 by 10, B is sacrificing 1/3 in favor of C. So, B's sacrifice equal to 3 by 10 into 1 by 3. 1 by 10, B's sacrifice. A's sacrifice 2 by 10. So, we can say that sacrificing ratio of A and B is 2:1. That is the sacrificing ratio. Now, we don't know what is the new share for C. It is not given in the question. Question says A, the old partner, is sacrificing this much in favor of the new partner. In the same way, B is also sacrificing this much amount in the favor of C, the new partner. That's all. So, very easy. You can calculate C's new share. How you will calculate? How much A is paying to C and how much B is paying to C. If you add these two share, you will get C's share. For example, from A, C is getting 2 by 10. A is making sacrifice 2 by 10 means what? For whom A is going to pay this 2 by 10? To C only, the new partner. So 2 by 10 from A, C is getting. Plus from B, how much B is paying to C? 1 by 10. 2 by 10 plus 1 by 10. So C's new share is 3 by 10. C is the new partner. So he is getting 3 by 10. Now they are asking you to calculate new profit sharing ratio. So A's new share, A is the old partner, B is also the old partner. again you have to use the formula old minus sacrifice. Then only you will get new share. So A's new share equals to, what is A's old share given in the question? 7 by 10. Just now we have calculated the sacrifice made by A. It comes to 2 by 10. So old minus sacrifice. 7 by 10 minus 2 by 10. Just you have to apply the formula, that's it. Equals to 5 by 10. Again B's new share, how you will calculate? The same formula, old minus sacrifice. This is the formula. Old already given in the question, 3 by 10. Sacrifice we have calculated. How much B is sacrificing of his share? Means he is paying to the new partner 1 by 10. So 3 by 10 minus 1 by 10, 2 by 10. And how much C is getting? Not given in the question. Like in normal question they will give like C comes for 1/4, 1/3, 1/5. In this question you have to calculate, you have to find out how much the new partner is getting. It's very easy because how much the old partner they are sacrificing is given in the question. So whatever the old partner sacrifices, if we make sum total of that, we will get the new partner's share. Okay, in this way we can calculate the new partner share if not given in the question. No need to worry, new partner share is not given. So C is getting from A how much? 2 by 10, the sacrifice made by A. Again plus C is getting from B how much? 1 by 10, the sacrifice made by B. If you make sum total of 2 by 10 plus 1 by 10, finally C is getting 3 by 10. Any doubt in this question? Any doubt you are having? Amrita, Harish, anything you are not able to understand?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now new ratio, all denominators are same like 5 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10. So easy to calculate new ratio, 5:2:3. That's all. This question solved. Question number 6. Page number 8. Question number 6. Arun, Bhushan and Chetan are partners in a firm sharing profit in 3:2:3. Again there are 3 partners, Arun, Bhushan, Chetan. They are sharing profit in which ratio? 3:2:1. Sorry, 3:2:3. They decide to admit Shehzad as a partner. New partner is coming into the firm. What is the name of new partner? Shehzad. Arun surrendered. Now again focus on the word surrendered. Surrendered means giving. Surrendering means giving. Acquired means taking. So surrendered. Arun surrendered. Who is Arun? Arun is the old partner. Arun surrendered means Arun gave 1/3 of his share. Of his share means whose share they are talking about? Arun's share. You have to understand the question very, very carefully. Arun surrendered 1/3 of his share. Arun is giving 1/3 of his share. How much his share is? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 by 8 is Arun's share. Out of 3 by 8, 1/3 Arun is giving in favor of Shehzad. Okay. Now Bhushan surrendered means Bhushan is giving. Bhushan surrendered 1/4 of his share. What is Bhushan's share? 2 by 8. Out of 2 by 8, Bhushan is giving 1/4 to Shehzad. This is the meaning of this line. And Chetan surrendered 1/5 of his share. Surrendered means, as I told you, giving. So Chetan is giving 1/5 of his share. What is the share of Chetan? 3 by 8. Out of 3 by 8, 1/5 he is giving to Shehzad. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Again in this question does not tell you how much the new partner is getting share in profit. Very easy, because the question says how much old partners are sacrificing their share. Once you calculate the sacrificing share, you can add the 3 partners sacrificing share. That will be the new share of new partner. Understood, Amrita, Harish? Whenever new partner's share is not given, no need to worry, because sacrifice will be given in the question. Just calculate the sacrifice made by the old partners separately. Then make sum total of all the sacrifices made by the old partner. Then you will get the new partner's new share. Understood, Amrita, Harish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are going to calculate A's what? Sacrifice. You should not write ABC. You should write the full name like Arun, Bhushan, Chetan. The new partner's name is Shehzad. Please write the full form. Don't write like me A, B, C, S. Your teacher will definitely cut the marks. Don't use the short forms. Arun's equal to. What is the sacrifice made by Arun? What is the old share of Arun? 3 by 8. How much Arun is surrendering, giving to the new partner? 1/3 of his share. So 3 by 8 into 1 by 3 equals to 3 by 24, and if you cut, you will get 1 by 8. In the same way, Bhushan. How much Bhushan is surrendering, giving to the new partner out of his share? Old share of Bhushan is 2 by 8. Out of that, he is paying or giving to the new partner 1/4. 2 by 8 into 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 16. Chetan, he is okay. He is also the old partner. His old share is 3 by 8. How much he is sacrificing? Out of his share, he is surrendering or giving 1/5 to the new partner. So 3 by 8 into 1 by 5, 3 by 40. Okay, now what you will do, you have to use the formula for calculating new profit sharing ratio. What is the formula for calculating it? Old share minus sacrifice. Sacrifice just now we have calculated. Old share given in the question. So easily you can calculate what? The new share of old partners. A equals to, A means Arun's new share. You have to write in this way. Arun's new share equals to, what is the old share given in the question? 3 by 8. Minus sacrifice we have calculated made by Arun, 1 by 8. Arun is sacrificing 1 by 8 of his share. So 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8 equals to, just take the LCM and solve it. You will get 20 by 8. Not 20 by 80. You will get 2 by 8. Okay. In the same way, Bhushan. How much Bhushan sold share? 2 by 8. Minus Bhushan sacrifice 1 by 16. Take the LCM, solve it. You will get 3 by 16. Again S. Not S. Again C. Chetan. So old share is 3 by 8 minus sacrifice we have calculated. Made by Chetan 3 by 40. Take LCM, you will get how much? 12 by 40. Now we don't know how much the Shehzad, the new partner, is getting share. It's very easy. We know how much A is giving to Shehzad, how much B is giving to Shehzad, how much C is giving to Shehzad. So just make sum total of those. You will get the new partner's new share. How much A is paying to Shehzad? 1 by 8. Plus how much Bhushan is paying? 1 by 16. How much Chetan is paying? 3 by 40. Add all these share which Shehzad is getting from old partners. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 plus 3 by 40. Again you have to take the LCM. So you will get 21 by 80. This is the share the new partner is getting. 21 by 80. Now you have to make the denominators 80. A, B, C. So how much we got A's new share? 2 by 8. In order to make it 80, multiply by 10 and divide by 10. So 20 by 80. Denominator is same now. In the same way, Bhushan. Bhushan new share is 3 by 16. We have to make it 80 into 5 by 5. You will get 15 by 80. Chetan's new share how much? 12 by 40. Multiply and divide by 2 by 2. You will get 24 by 80. So, and Shehzad, the new partner's share, we already know 21 by 80. So, new profit sharing ratio equals to how much? 20 is to 15 is to 24 is to 21. This is the answer. They have asked to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Any doubt, Harish, Amrita? Any doubt you all are having, dear? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, very important concept we are going to learn. Accounting treatment of goodwill. If this concept is clear, it will help you for 3 chapters. That is admission, retirement and death. So, please focus on this concept. Very important concept, calculation of goodwill. Once you are clear with this, it is going to help you not only in this chapter, other 2 chapters of partnership, that is retirement and death. Once the concept is clear, no need to learn again and again. The same concept you have to apply for goodwill in all other 2 chapters. So focus on this. Whenever a new partner enters, he will bring. Whenever a new partner comes into the partnership business, suppose there are 2 partners, A and B, old partners, and C is the new partner coming and joining in the partnership firm, then he will bring 2 things. One is capital, another one is his share of goodwill. Total firm, suppose total firm's share is 60,000. Total firm's share of goodwill is 60,000 and he is coming for 1/5. For example, the new partner C is coming into business for 1/5. Total firm's goodwill is 60,000. So he will bring his share of goodwill. 60,000 into 1/5. That is 12,000 is the share of new partner's goodwill. He should bring, he must bring. And why he is bringing his share of goodwill? The new partner always brings his share of goodwill to compensate the old partners, because whenever any new partner comes into the business, always the old partners sacrifices their share of profit. In order to compensate it, the new partner needs to pay his share of goodwill to the old partners. Who is going to get this his share of goodwill? Obviously the old partner will get. In which ratio the old partner will get? Sacrificing ratio. Please write it down. I am requesting you, please always write it down. These are the important points, because students get confused. The ratio, they get confused. Old ratio, new ratio, which ratio? Goodwill is always distributed among old partners in sacrificing ratio. Write it down in your notebook. Whatever the new partner brings, his share of goodwill, it will be distributed among the old partners in sacrificing ratio. Now you all know how to calculate the sacrificing ratio. So always you have to calculate the sacrificing ratio, new ratio. Then all the working notes should be done. Then only you can solve the question. Goodwill is always distributed in sacrificing ratio. Clear? Any doubt till here, Amrita, Harish?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please write it down. I am requesting you. Don't just listen. Write it down, these points, whatever I am telling you. Now, suppose firm's goodwill equal to... Yes, Harish?
Ma'am, I'll repeat it. Is this correct or not, ma'am? Will you please check? Ma'am, the new partner's gold will be shared among the old partner in a sacrificing ratio.
Yes, very good. Yes, that is only. Please, whatever chapter I am teaching, please write it down, the important points. It will help you a lot. Because when you start solving the question, definitely you will get confused which ratio, and the question will go wrong. If you write it down, you can go through it. Okay, write it down. Amrita, are you writing, dear? Amrita, are you writing, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, dear. Okay, not only for this chapter, each and every chapter, whatever I am teaching, always keep a pen and rough note with you. Write the chapter name and write the important points. Now, suppose firm's goodwill 1 lakh. Suppose total firm's goodwill is given in the question, 1 lakh rupees. And the new partner comes for 1/5 share. New partner is coming for 1/5 share. Now, how much is his share of goodwill? Very easy. If you know the total firm's goodwill, you can multiply with new partner's share. You will get new partner's goodwill. 1 lakh into 1 by 5, 20,000. So now the new partner will bring 20,000 as his share of goodwill, and obviously it will be distributed among the old partners in sacrificing ratio. Now capital equals to bought by new partner. Who will bring the capital? Whenever a new partner comes into the partnership business, as I told you, he brings two things. One is capital of his share, again his share only. Whatever his share of capital is there, he needs to bring that amount, and his share of goodwill. Now what will be the journal entry? Suppose a new partner is bringing capital into the business. Yes, Harish? Yes, Harish?
What the goodwill? What are the goodwill will be held by the new partner, ma'am? Examples.
I couldn't get you, Harish. What you want to ask, dear?
Ma'am, examples for the goodwill, ma'am.
There is no example, dear. Just I said na, for example, total firm's goodwill is 1 lakh rupees. Okay. Total firm means A, B, C, including C. Suppose there are total firm's goodwill given in the question 1 lakh rupees. And C, he is the new partner coming into the business. He is coming for 1/5 share in the profit. So how much goodwill he will bring? Only his share of goodwill he will bring. Total firm's goodwill is 1 lakh. He is coming for
his share is called
yes,
goodwill,
yes, yes, yes. Got it?
A capital basically.
No, capital is different, dear. Capital is different. Goodwill is different. Okay. Goodwill is a different concept. Capital is a different concept. That is why I told you, whenever a new partner comes, he brings two things. Both are different things. Okay. Capital, why he is bringing? Whenever any business we start, we have to invest capital, right? So whenever the new partner is coming, he will also invest his share of capital into the business. And what about goodwill? As I told you, he is bringing goodwill to compensate the old partners who are going to sacrifice their share of profit. Understood now? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what is the journal entry for capital? If the new partner brings capital in cash, what journal entry we will pass? Whenever new partner is bringing capital in cash, bank account you have to debit, because asset is coming into the business. Rule for asset, whenever asset increases, we debit it. So bank account is asset, cash is coming into the business. That is why we are debiting bank account. And to new partners capital account, we have to credit the new partners capital account. Why? Because the new partners capital, whatever he is bringing, is the liability for the firm. Whenever the firm closes, the capital invested by the new partner have to be returned back by the firm. Okay, it's a liability. So what is the rule for liability? If any liability increases, we have to credit it. So suppose C is the new partner, he is bringing capital. What will be the journal entry? Bank account debit to C's capital account. We are crediting capital account because it is liability for the business. We are debiting bank account because it is asset for the business. Rule applies. Asset increases, debit it. Liability increases, credit it. Any doubt here in the journal entry bank account debit to new partners capital account? Okay. Okay.